You guys take this shot, sometimes it doesn't work because he's strong. You might think you're too far away, right? I shoot here, he's strong, I get stuck. What do I say, guys? Get on your knees, right? Yeah. Look how I'm sitting on my knees. Can I score from here? Do I have any power from here? No. That's right, I want to be on my toes so I can circle around and get the single leg up, right? If I'm here, I have no power and I have no explosion. And this, I'm going to show you a move. Get the guys that are taking a break. All these guys that are taking a break down here, just hang on, right? You guys always get here, right? This is what we're going to do. We're going to grab his chin. We're going to put his shoulder in his back, right? Above his neck. Right? The bottom of his neck here. And I'm going to reach across. See where my hand is? We're right on his knee. See how it's sitting on the mat? And I'm going to try to get to him. Watch you guys. I put my hand on his knee. I grab